A group of kids gather in the playground, discussing their plan to create a waterfall attack using the park's water feature. The kids work together to divert the water flow towards the unsuspecting group of friends playing on the playground equipment. The friends on the playground are caught off guard as the water cascades down on them, causing chaos and laughter. After the waterfall attack, the kids help their friends dry off and clean up the playground, all while sharing in the excitement of their successful prank.